Hi guys. So today we're going to be playing with the Kenaurd. I just got this in the mail. It's a 5 pin and pin. I think it's like it's not a multi-lock interactive. It's just a 5 pin and pin type Dimple lock. Here's the key for it. And a little while ago I made a video on the Toool credit card EDC type picks. So today I decided I'm going to try and see if we can pick this Dimple lock using these tools. So I'm gathering up some of the tension rods, see if we can make a little sandwich to make a pseudo Z-bar sticker in this lock. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. And we'll take a few tools here, put them aside. And let's see here. So I got 2 hooks and I got a diamond. So we'll start off with maybe the short little fat hook and see how we make do. And we'll start picking. So I did pick a D-guard with a standard hook and a half diamond, but those were standard size picks, not these tiny compromised small picks. And what I found in doing that with the D-guard is that you have to be careful, like I just did here, getting your pick stuck in places, because there's all kinds of nooks and crannies and places the hook wants to get stuck in, and you may have to restart if you're not careful. So don't do what I did. Be careful. Alright, so we got a click out of 1. Nothing really on 2. 3, not much. I'm just kind of going through. It's very hard to really be precise with this hook, I'll be honest with you. In the keyway, it keeps wanting to get stuck. I'm going to try and go towards the right hand side. I think the pick shaft is going to get in the way, but maybe initially that's okay. Maybe it won't be a problem. I don't know. Like I said, we just got this lock today, so haven't had much time to play with it. I'm not sure if this will be successful or not. And I'm stuck again. Alright, let's give her one more try, huh? Before we end in a failure here. Alright, let's go with the skinnier pick. Maybe being the skinny older brother of the short and fat pick, it'll slip by all those little crevices. Fat guy keeps getting stuck in, but I don't know. Alright, so one, always get a nice click out of one. I'm on pin 3 at this point, trying to. We're already on 4. Not having much success here, lifting pins and really being able to do a good job here. I'm not sure what I'm getting caught up in this wording. When I played with the Kenaurd, I didn't have so many. I did get stuck, but not so much like I am here. This is incredible. Let's try the half diamond. I'll go in from the right. Doesn't even feel like these are spooled. I'm not sure. Like I said, I haven't played with this lock, but if we get her open, of course we'll gut her up and see what's on the innards. See what she all has inside. Oh no! I think I'm stuck again. Jiggling and a wiggling and I got out. Partially. There we go. Alright, let's go in from the left. I did get some core rotation. Alright, there's 2. 2 is binding. Let's get underneath 1. Can we get under 2? That's the question. Without getting stuck. Alright. Past 2. We are so past number 2. Now we're going... Looks like 4 is giving me trouble. Alright, so we got a deep false set. We're going to switch over to the skinny hook again. I'm going to go on the right hand side, see if we can go on the inside of said pins and get her set without getting stuck. Yeah, this is interesting. Not sure what these picks keep getting stuck on. Like I said, when I did the Kenaurd with the standard size picks, I definitely was getting stuck, but nothing like this. Alright, so we lost one of the tensioners. Okay, let's see. Let's go with the fat guy. With the fat hook. See if the fat guy will save the day. I don't even know if this fat guy can get into the pins. But maybe we don't need to get that deep in, huh? Maybe. Alright, let's go in from the right. Not much room on the right. All right, we got her open, guys. All right, let's keep this on frame, and let's see what we can find out. What makes her tick?